Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this desk calendar. Now, this calendar is really nice and large here. You will notice that it has a good amount of space on each day here to go ahead and write in different appointments and events or even birthdays or anniversaries you need to remember. And it even has a few holidays as well listed. But one thing I really like about this calendar a lot is the fact that it tucks in under these corners here so it stays nice and flat. But what you don't even notice here in the video, but when you touch it, you can kind of feel the texture. There's actually this almost like invisible sheet on top, kind of protecting the calendar a little bit, which I really like a lot. Sometimes I set a drink on my desk or anything like that, and I would hate for it to leave a ring on my calendar. And so I really like that they have this almost kind of a plasticky style protective sheet at the top. And then when the month is over, you actually can just go ahead and tear across the perforated line there, remove it, and then go ahead and use that protective cover on the next month as well. They also include a few stickers here if you want to customize the calendar a little more with maybe some stars, some check marks, some goals, or even maybe some different holiday stickers. You can kind of customize it and make it a little bit fun. But I really like this calendar a lot. A great desk calendar. There are 2 holes if you wanted to go ahead and hang it. You could do that as well, but highly recommend this calendar. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.